Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're diving into a word that carries a lot of importance, responsibility, and global connections. Our word of the day is ambassador. An ambassador is a noun that refers to a country's official representative, someone who acts as the face and voice of their nation in another country or organization. It's a vital role in diplomacy, and the word can also be used metaphorically to describe someone who represents or promotes a specific cause, brand, or idea. Let's talk about some synonyms for ambassador. A few you might come across are envoy, delegate, and diplomat. For example, you could say, "The envoy from France arrived to discuss the trade agreement." Or, as a delegate for her company, she attended the international summit. These words share similar meanings and are often used in contexts involving representation or negotiation. On the other hand, the antonyms for ambassador include words like opponent, adversary, or antagonist. For instance, if someone is working against your interests, you might call them an adversary, as in, the adversary of peace initiatives refused to engage in dialogue. Now, let's think about how we use ambassador in our everyday lives. In addition to its formal use in politics and international relations, the word can be applied more casually. For example, we often hear phrases like brand ambassador to describe someone who represents and promotes a product or company. You might also call someone an ambassador for kindness if they're always spreading positivity and helping others. Here are some examples of ambassador in sentences. The ambassador of the United States met with local leaders to discuss cultural exchanges. She became an ambassador for the environment, traveling the world to raise awareness about climate change. As a brand ambassador, he attends events and shares the company's message with potential customers. To sum up, the word ambassador refers to someone who represents their country or a cause, and it's a word that holds great weight in many different contexts. I hope you'll keep this word in mind and look out for ways it's used around you. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Hello Word and leave us a review. Your support helps others find the show, and I'd love to hear your thoughts. Why not create your own sentence using ambassador and share it with us in the comments? I'm Alex, and I'll see you next time on Hello Word.